to introduce to you our first 24 hours journey to Japan. We are very happy that we are traveling first time, and this is one of my greatest bucket list to go to Japan. So traveling with Christine, our toddler has her own seat for the very first time. So it was a bit challenging trying to explain to her that she needs to retain on that seat, and because she was used of cuddling with us, she was traveling since she was 10 months old, but she was doing really fine and she had lots of entertainment. And this specific plane, we have boarded this on a daytime, and I was so confused why it is so dark, and I figured maybe because it was so cold outside that it makes this whole plane so dark. But then I just figured out that it was on the setting on the window. This has no physical up and down window where you can put it up and down if you want to adjust the light. So this is just on the setting. I don't know exactly what it is called, but yes, I was so confused that the whole plane was dark when it was in the middle of the midday. So I figured that it was just all on the settings, guys, but honestly I was just so confused that, oh my goodness, where are we going? What is the time zone between Cairns to Tokyo? Because this is like in nearly the zone in Japan, guys, when I noticed that it was just all dark. So this is our first time Boeing 787, so that was part of the settings on the window. And of course I got Vicks, and after such a long flight we arrived in Narita, and we took the Narita Train Express, and we arrived in our very small hotel. So our accommodation is in Smile Hotel Singakuji Station, in that very small tiny room, and every day we have our free breakfast just across the hotel in this little restaurant. The staff are very nice, and we always have our breakfast there for 4 days, and that fills us up because it was quite a big breakfast. We have rice, we have beef, we have salmon, and we also have the soup. And Christine really loved the noodle soup, and we have eggs, so it's quite a nice breakfast that actually filled us up for the rest of the lunch. So it was nice. And afterwards we took the train to Shibuya Station. Yeah, we should go over. It was a bit surreal to see all of these people crossing this Shibuya crossing. We live in Darwin, guys, and you will never ever see much people crossing the pedestrian crossing. We thought at first that it's such a bother to come here on the rainy day, but then I thought, I don't want to waste time. And it turned out to be a very amusing day looking at these people with their beautiful different types of umbrellas. It was very good. And after all of this, we decided to go to the Shibuya station because we would like to go back to our accommodation. So we spent already half of the day in Shibuya station. And look, it's a beautiful station.
Awesome. Oh, I tell you what, next. You want to get in the bakery for Christine while you're here?
And Lawson is one of the go-to shop. You will find it anywhere in Tokyo, anywhere. It's very convenient. We went back to our accommodation in Singakoji station, that is like couple of station away, and we rest there for Christine's nap. Christine. And had our lunch and decided at night time we went to Roppongi Hills to see this beautiful view of Tokyo Tower. And honestly guys, I love Tokyo Tower. It's not Paris, and I've never been to Paris, but it's the first tower that I've seen that blown me away. It has that impact. It's such a beautiful, and look at this kind of effect from the clouds and whatever you call that gaze on the sky. It's beautiful, and it was cold. It was cold that we were freezing actually. Darwin was like 30 degrees, and we came to this weather, such a beautiful weather where we can walk without sweating and have this beautiful view. Guys, imagine what I'm feeling. I felt good. So again, I soak it all in. I want to stare and stay there for a while, and after I had enough. Wow, Christine is in Shinjuku.
I think it's supposed to smoke or something come out of its mouth. I read on the internet.
So apparently this Godzilla will blow some epic show. So we went there, and it was so hard getting there. But the two students helped us from 15 minutes away to that exact place. So we were very thankful of those two Japanese students. And we can't wait to be blown away with whatever this Godzilla gonna blow. Because look at these spectators, guys. It must be a big show. They come from all over the world to see this. So we're waiting. We all it's coming, guys.
Lightning coming out of its mouth.
It is really bad if you expect, guys, because my expectation was so big, and that was it. But anyways, that was still good. And we're still here in Shinjuku. Lots and lots of Japanese lights like we've never seen before. So of course, I'm just soaking it in again. And I asked my husband to film us, to pretend that we don't know, but we know. So here we are. And you cannot even see us because, we're just short people. And look, all around us are just tall people, plus the dinosaur up. And it was good, We should have not expected too much, then I would have not been disappointed. But hey, it was good. And my husband was tired, and all his knees are also tired. And meanwhile, Christine is full of energy. She's singing Baby Shark. So guys, around the corner, this is another entertainment that you can see. It's quite cute. It's a 3D thingy. It's just there. Where are you? Where are you, Christine? A grumpy Christine. She walked like hours already. Hey, you've been walking since 5 p.m. Christine. And how's Daddy? How's Daddy's knees for 5 p.m.? 3 hours. Been walking for 3 hours. And one of the sad truth, guys, our station has no escalator nor elevator. So no matter how tired we get, from all our, gallivanting around Tokyo, we still have to face that we need to go there. Go to the stairs and so much more stairs. Hence why every night we have this hot bath just to refresh our nerves, our body, so that we have more energy to go on for another day. Because guess what, guys? This is only what? Our 24 hours, and we're already feeling very, very tired. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you for my next vlog.